everybody, welcome to my channel. Sorry if my camera is really blurry. I don't know if my camera is broken, but it looks blurry on my end, but I'm not sure if it'll be blurry on your guys' end. So I'm just here to show you guys the Walgreens ad preview for Sunday, January 7th through Saturday, January 13th. It is going to be a awesome week. A lot of points. You get some register rewards. So definitely this is the week where you guys can get some points. Plus I know there's a deal where if you spend like 20 or 25 you get 7,000 points. I think that starts Sunday or Saturday. I'm not sure on that. So let's just dig in and I can show you guys some deals. So right here they got Arm & Hammer on sale for $1.99. If you guys really enjoy that, $1.99 is a good price. We got Scott's paper towels or toilet paper on sale for $3.99, but there's going to be a $1 off coupon in this Sunday's paper. So you guys would just get it for $2.99. That comes with the 50 cents a roll for the paper towels. I'm not sure how much for the toilet paper. It's probably 25 cents because I think it's a 12 pack. Yeah, 12 pack. So 25 cents a roll on that. Special K, it's 2 for $4. There's going to be a $1 off a 3 coupon in the Sunday's paper. If you guys spend $10 or more, you get 2,000 points. If you guys really enjoy that. I think there's also coupons on coupons.com that might be a little bit of a better coupon to use. So we got that. Not much going on in a lot of the food areas. Ziploc baggies, 2 for $5.50. There's going to be, we do have those I think $1 off of 2 coupons. You guys would end up paying $4.50, but then you get a $1.50 register reward, making them $3 or $1.50 a piece, which is an okay deal. I always like it the big bags because I store toys and stuff inside those. A lot of food and drinks, not much going on with that. But here we got the trolley gummies and the Black Forest gummies. They're going to be on sale that week for $1.99, and you guys will get a $1.99 register reward, making them free. Now you guys can do that deal as many times as you want. Just use them in separate transactions and do not use the same register reward that you got for the same product. It will not print. So just letting you guys know, that's a great thing to get stocked up on. A lot of Valentine's Day candy you'll be seeing on sale. We'll be getting some candy coupons. I'm not sure exactly. I can't remember. But some of this stuff, you know, it's great to coupon for. I always bring candy to work and people just are like, that's awesome. We got All in Snuggle, buy one get one free. I think there's going to be a 3 off of 2 coupon that we're getting in this Sunday's paper. Renews-It's, 89 cents. We'll be getting a buy 4 get 2 free coupon. Plus I usually see a deal in Saving Star, so you can get some of those Renews-It's super cheap. Not much else going on with the cleaning products. We got photos, batteries. There's that. A lot of vitamins going on with that. I'm just going to kind of be quick with that. I know there's one a day. There's going to be $4 off coupons that are coming out in this Sunday's paper. Not much else going on in the health food section. If you guys like Boost, they're going to be on sale 2 for $7. We are getting $7 off of 2 coupons. So if you guys buy 4 of them and use 2 of those coupons, you guys will end up paying $14. But then you guys will get 4,000 points when you buy 4. So it comes out to $10 or $2.50 a piece. I'm not sure if you guys really, if you enjoy that, but I think that's an okay deal. I've never really bought it, so I'm not sure the good price on here. Here is the AccuCheck blood glucose meter. It's going to be on sale for $29.99, and there's going to be a $22 off coupon, which is kind of crazy. So if you guys know anybody who needs that kind of stuff, it comes out to be $7.99, which is a pretty good deal on something like that. Not much going on with other like eye stuff unless stuff pops out at me. But right here is a super exciting page. Everything is on sale. And then if you guys spend $25 or more, you get 5,000 points. Well, right here in this section, it's $5.99. We'll be getting $3 off coupons. So you guys will end up buying 5 different products. Use 5 of those different coupons. You guys will pay $14.95, but then you get 5,000 points, what comes out to be $10, so $9.95 or $1.99 a piece. I know there was some dime tap deals in Ibotta, so maybe there could be even some great deals on that. So definitely I'm going to be trying to do that deal for you guys if I can get those coupons for you. So there's that. A lot of great deals on the cold and sinus stuff. Not much going on this page. And now this page we got some things, but not really anything that's really popping out with that. And then here is the toothpaste, Crest toothpaste, Oral-B, and Crest mouthwash. They're $3.99. We do have $2 off toothpaste coupons, and we have $1 off, I think, Oral-B and Scope coupons. So you guys want to buy at least 2 toothpaste and then maybe one or the other for the mouthwash or Oral-B toothbrushes. You guys want to use those coupons. You guys would pay $9.96 for all 4 items, but then you get a $6 register reward. So it comes out to be $3.96 for all 4 of them, which is an okay deal. Colgate's not the greatest deal. I know there's some good deals with CVS for that week. Now we have razors and shampoo. We are going to get totally wasted with razors this week. These are $5.99, the Bic razors, and then there's going to be a buy one get one free coupon. And then it says if you guys spend $10 or more, so usually you just need to buy 2, you use that coupon, you'll get 4,000 points. So basically you guys would pay $5.99, get 4,000 points. It comes out to be each razor comes out to be $1 a piece. So that's a great deal. You got Schick razors for $5.99. We are going to get $4 off coupons. So they'll come out to $1.99. It says if you guys spend 20, so that's before coupons, you guys get 5,000 points. So you guys do that deal. You'll pay $7.96 for 4 razors. You'll get 5,000 points. Comes out to be $2.96 or just 74 cents a pack of razors, which is a pretty good deal. Whole blends, I know we're getting some Sundays coupons, so that would be an okay deal. Right here we got Garnier Fructis. They're on sale for 2 for $7. There's a 3 off of 2 coupon that we'll be getting in this Sunday's paper. Plus there is a $2 off of 2 coupon in the Walgreens booklet. So you guys will end up getting each of those for $1 a piece, which I absolutely love it. That's the great time to stock up on a lot of that stuff. So there's that. Not much going on with a lot of the makeup, but you know, some stuff might surprise us. And then now we're on the last page of the Walgreens ad. Dial hand soap and Dial body wash, buy one get one 50% off. Right here we got General Mills cereals, 2 for $4, but then we have $1 off of 2 coupon, and usually there's $1 off of 2 Savings Star deal, so that comes out to be $1 a box, which is a good deal. Continental Viva, those are $4.99. We have some have $1 off coupon in the Sunday's paper right now, or you guys can actually use $1 off coupon that's on coupons.com. Comes out to $3.99. Centrum is $6.99. We do have a $4 off coupon we'll be getting. And then the Cervé is going to be buy one get one 50% off. There's a $5 off coupon off of 2 in the stores. Plus we'll be getting manufacturer coupons. So this is a awesome week for couponing at Walgreens. What I'm going to try to do is get a lot of register rewards this week for the razors and the toothpaste. And then next week I'm going to be getting all those points back. So you guys can check out this ad. It's at the Walgreens. They usually update it on Wednesday mornings. But I just want to say thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys another time when I do another Walgreens ad preview. See you later. Bye-bye.